68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Ready to take your performance and health to the next level. Let's talk about free radicals, those sneaky molecules generated during intense workouts. They're unavoidable, but need managing to keep you at your best. When you exercise, your body uses more oxygen, which leads to an increase in free radicals. These unstable molecules cause oxidative stress, damaging your cells, proteins, and DNA. Left unchecked, they can leave you feeling tired, inflamed, and struggling to recover. But here's the exciting part. Free radicals aren't all bad. They can trigger muscle adaptations, helping you grow stronger and build resilience. The key? Balance. With the proper knowledge, managing free radicals becomes more straightforward than you think. That's where antioxidants come into play. Think of them as your body's cleanup crew. They neutralize free radicals, protect your cells, and promote faster recovery. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts are loaded with antioxidants, and supplements such as vitamins C and E can give you an extra edge. However, too many antioxidants can backfire, reducing your body's ability to adapt to exercise. The key is balance enough to enhance recovery without disrupting progress. Have you ever felt completely wiped out after a workout, wondering if your body could bounce back faster? Back in 1978, I decided I wouldn't face the same health struggles as my grandparents. That choice shaped my life. Watching them battle age-related health issues motivated me to explore new ways to stay strong and healthy as I aged. That's when I started using supplements to gain an edge in semi-pro football and as a walk-on at the University of Hawaii. It's also why I've been able to do CrossFit for 14 years and continue to compete at 68. What stops you from recovering quickly and performing at your peak daily? But here's the mistake I see too many people make. They need to do proper research when choosing supplements. Instead, they opt for cheap, big box options that lack scientific backing. These products often fail to deliver results, wasting time, money, and most importantly, health potential. Would you agree that your body needs antioxidants to recover? Would you also agree that not all supplements are created equal? Here's something supplement companies don't want you to know. Navigating the overwhelming supplement market can be simple. You'll see a QR code throughout this video. Scan it anytime. It links to my free Informed Choices Guide, 7 easy steps to finding the right dietary supplement. This ultimate guide is tailored for health-conscious and fitness individuals who want to make smarter choices and avoid falling for ineffective products. How confident are you that your current supplements give you the support your body needs? Imagine waking up every day feeling vibrant and ready to conquer the world. With suitable antioxidants, a strategic approach to your fitness, and tools like my guide, you'll have everything you need to crush your goals, avoid age-related health issues, and build a foundation for lifelong wellness. If you could improve your recovery time and avoid long-term damage, how much more could you achieve in your fitness journey? This isn't just about training harder, it's about training smarter. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and scientifically backed supplements into your routine, you'll protect your body from oxidative stress, recover faster, and stay ahead of the competition. At 68, I'm living proof that this approach works, and it can work for you too. Would knowing which antioxidants to include in your routine make it easier to see actual results? What could happen if you continue relying on ineffective supplements and miss the chance to support your body correctly? Let's make your best health a reality. Scan the QR code now and take the first step toward feeling unstoppable.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. He did it all. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick Mikami.
I know, yeah.
All right, there you go. These are your age group athletes. 2023.